How many of you watching this video have usually faced the issue where it says activate Windows on your bottom right of your Windows PC? So let me help you understand how it can be fixed. Okay, my assumption is that you are not using a cracked version of Windows. If you are using a cracked version of Windows, please ignore this video. I am not helping you with this content, right? In case you're using a trial version of the Windows operating system and on the bottom right it says activate Windows, there is a very interesting technique with which you can actually remove that particular label from your Windows machine. How do I do that? Very simple. I open my command prompt both as an administrator and as a regular user. From here, I type in the command bcdedit. What does bcdedit means? BCD stands for boot configuration data. So I am editing the boot configuration data and setting a particular parameter by putting a parameter called -set. So I say test signing off. What does that mean? It simply means that I am switching off a certain parameter on the boot configuration data, making it to accept unverified drivers for your Windows PC. And hence what happens is it disables quite some security controls onto your operating system and in fact removes the label called activate Windows on your system. Give it a try. Let me show you. Clicking this, it says your boot configuration data stored could not be opened because access is denied, because I'm running it from a non-admin user account. Now I'm doing that as a run as admin, and when I do that, it accepted the operation and says the operation completed successfully. Beautiful. So what happens? It requires your computer to be restarted so that on the bottom right you will not find activate Windows because it is temporarily disabled using this technique. Let me show you in mine. I obviously have a full original Windows operating system and hence I don't have that label coming up. Hence I'm not able to show you that, but apparently I want you to understand this is the label I'm talking about. Just doing a Google search and showing you. This is the image. It says activate Windows. Go to setting to activate Windows, right? So all you have to do is remember this command, and doing this is not illegal. It is not breaking the cracked version into a full version or anything of that sort. You are just using your own trial version and just trying to remove this label from the bottom right. I hope you had something to learn from this. In case you liked it, please consider subscribing. Thank you.